Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to Biker John Day 2.
All carry-on items should now be stowed securely, either in an overhead bin or under the seat in front of you.
We just got up, and well, he's been up for like hour and a half. He slept about 5 hours. That's it. He's about to take off again. I'm gonna hang back here though and put everything in the Jeep, go by Walmart and stuff, maybe take a little nap, and then I'm gonna catch up with him. Wish me luck. I'm tired. I'm gonna get rolling. And then how many miles did you go yesterday total?
175, I think. 174, yeah. 175.
Made it to Great Bend at
10-ish?
Yeah, 10-ish last night.
It was just over 17 hours, I think.
Yeah. It was
so hopefully this will be better because I think the wind is supposed to be
a very long day. Hotel was not built for a bike. Hotel room wasn't.
It's all my stuff.
They didn't have a bike stand for him or anything.
No.
What's the temperature out?
26 maybe?
Doesn't feel like there's much wind yet. As we get closer to Emporia, the wind's supposed to die down. It's supposed to pick up here about noon, so hopefully he gets ahead of it.
That is the plan. Okay. I'll talk to you later.
Okay, peace out. Have speed, little buddy! So I changed my mind. I decided I would run over to Bonnie Rock and get the sunrise. I've never been here for sunrise. I've been here for sunset, but never sunrise. So I jumped in the Jeep and I'm running over here real quick. I'm just about here, sun's about to come up. So it looks like I have like perfect time. I hope you guys liked that time lapse. Now I have to hustle back to Great Bend, go by Walmart, grab all the stuff at the hotel, and then go catch up with John. So I'll see you soon. So right here is the hotel I booked last night. Stayed at the Best Western Angus Inn in Great Bend. It was a pretty good deal. It cost me $90. The breakfast though was incredible. They actually give you gift certificates for Perkins, which is right across the street. It was very good. But yeah, right here's the room. And now I'm gonna go find John, throw his stuff in the car, and get out of here. So how's it going?
It's going good.
So how many miles have you went today?
50.
50.
It's sandy. 40 of it was thick, deep sand. Never ride around Great Bend. Do not open a bike shop around Great Bend because nobody's going to ride bikes around there. It's not fun.
I just caught up with him, got him snacks, got his water, got him bananas. Now I'm gonna run to Hutch and grab us lunch at Chick-fil-A, and I'm gonna catch up with him later on. So how's it going?
It's going good.
You're at what mile?
79.
You ready for your Chick-fil-A?
I am. You have fries?
I'll catch up with him later on. However, I'm in a bit of a predicament right there. Closed bridge. I'm supposed to find my own way, that's what he said, which I understand that, but. Yep, so I'm gonna drive around, get ahead of him again, probably take some more video, take some pictures. But, yep, too bad I didn't bring my fishing pole though. Could've went catfishing right here. What's your mile reader?
93.
And you're in Heston.
I'm in Heston, yes. I had a reroute.
Yeah.
The road was closed.
Yeah, I was sitting there watching you reroute.
They took that bridge out.
Yep.
Mile 100.
Here's the historical marker for the Black Beaver Trail. However, I expected the Black Beaver Trail to be blacker. It's a bit gray. I don't know. Just expected blacker. I don't know. Just pulled up on the north side of Walton. Caught up with old Rhonda. And we are waiting on Johnny. He should be coming down that road momentarily. He's probably at about mile marker between 110 and 120. Earlier, he yelled at me he was at 100 miles, and that was probably 20 miles ago. So John actually does not know that Rhonda is here. So Rhonda had her bike on her vehicle because she's heading up to DK camp. And I said, well, why don't you just take your bike off and ride up the hill? and meet him up there since he doesn't know, so it'll be a big surprise for John.
We're at mile 110. Everything's good. A lot better than yesterday. Yesterday was grueling. Today we're having fun. So, I don't know, 60, 70 miles to go. We'll see you in Emporia. Be in already.
Already, okay.
See ya.
Bye.
Bake and shake. Bake and shake. John's just out pedaling. I figured I would swing into Cedar Point, another small town before it got dark. There is their Pepsi machine from the 70s. That is their quick shop. This is their mill though. Kind of cool. I just saw it as I pulled up. I wanted to go inside, but obviously it says keep out. But it does not say no trespassing. It just says keep out. So I was gonna go down here and check it out, hopefully. Maybe. Really cool building. Wish I could go inside.
They've obviously been working on it some. "1937. That's the school. This is the auditorium." Oh, this is cool. They must still do some community stuff here. Basketball goal. Old scoreboard. Dang. I'm gonna get out of here though before I get in trouble. Which is probably about to happen because I know there's people watching me. Car just drove by. I'm gonna get out of here before I get in trouble. The school park's a little bit damaged and done for. The auditorium though is still in good shape, which is really surprising. Just got done at Cedar Point. Now I'm gonna go find John previous to it getting dark. It's starting to get dark. This camera has really good low light. If anybody's wondering, this is the G7X Mark II. I highly like it. The only thing is that sometimes the autofocus is just a little bit off, but once it locks onto you, it seems to hold tight. So yeah, I'm gonna go find John now. That was an awesome town. You need to come up here more often.
My turn.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
What's your mile mark?
139.
Okay.
So I don't know. Just see if you can figure out how many miles it is into Emporia. Hey, be careful.
Okay.
Because some of this stuff isn't really vehicle worthy.
Okay.
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 All right. See ya.
All right. See ya. So I'm going on up here to make sure everything's clear for him. He's got another 50 miles to go tonight. I don't know if he's gonna make it. So I went ahead and the road gets very rough. Had to go through water. I actually put this Jeep to like actual Jeep use, so that was pretty cool. However though, I instantly lost cell phone reception about 10 miles up and decided that I would come back just in case, because it's pretty sketchy out here. It's super dark. Like, I haven't seen another vehicle, but it's just one of those really eerie kind of weird situations. So I told him that the only way that he was going to be able to keep on going was if I was right on his tail the whole time. So that's what he's going to do. And there's water crossings. I guess we're going to throw it on the Jeep. We're going to throw his bike on the Jeep. He's going to jump in. We're going to cross it and climb the rock up the other side. Looks like it's going to be a long night. This just proves that John Jury is absolutely insane. He did not even want to put it on the back. He just kept on going. He's still pedaling. It's 9 o'clock. He's been pedaling for over 15 hours now. He's probably got another 2 hours left and then we'll be in Emporia, hopefully by 11 o'clock. He'll be going 13 miles per hour if he makes it there by 11. 26 miles left. What mile are you on?
177. You could have a snack.
Okay. Yeah, you have about 12 left, I think. So you're getting close. Shake and bake. We are about 12 miles outside of Emporia going to Mulready's. John does not realize I still have the air horn. I think he thinks I returned it this morning at Walmart. I did not. So as soon as we get to Emporia, I'm gonna wake up the whole town with my air horn. Probably not my best idea since it'll be 11:30, but you know, you only live once, right? And you can only go to jail once. Actually, that's 100% false. You can go to jail multiple times one night, I'm sure. You made it!
Welcome to Emporia.
Tell us the miles and stuff like that.
What was it total? 360, 365,
Then how many miles you go today?
190, 175 yesterday, 190 today.
Perfect.
We had a lot of fun.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks, bud.
And we made it to the bar. So that is the end of Biker John's journey. Made it to the bar, we're gonna go drink beer. See you later. Beau out.
We stop, it's Dominic the donkey. Clickety clack, we stop, it's Dominic the donkey.